Good morning, everyone. Our lesson for today is about hazards and risks in the workplace. I'm your teacher, Deborah L. Monte Alto. Definition of terms: hazard, anything which may cause injury or ill health to everyone. Risk, hazard that will cause harm. Health, overall condition of our body. Safety, freedom from danger, risk, or injury. Bacteria, simple one called organisms that may or may not be harmful. Virus, organism that depends on a host cell for development and reproduction. Fungi, may be small or large parasitic organism growing in a living or dead plant or animal matter. Contaminate, introduce harmful or unwanted substances, making something unclean or unsafe. Hazard, physical hazards. These are caused by noise, vibration, energy, weather, electricity, radiation, or pressure. For example, poor lighting, poor ventilation, insufficient facilities, insufficient or faulty equipment or machine, improper work practice such as wrong use of knives, ignorance or carelessness of the work. Chemical hazards. These include solid, liquid, vapor, or gaseous chemicals, dust, and fume, or mist. Some commonly used workplace chemical hazards include acids, cleaning products, heavy metals, paint, pesticides. Biological hazards. These are caused by organisms such as viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Parasites. Housekeeping procedures such as provision of potable water, removal of industrial waste, food handling, personal cleanliness. Ergonomic hazards. These are caused by anatomical, physiological, and psychological demands on the worker such as repetitive and forceful movements, vibration, extreme temperatures, and awkward postures arising from improper work methods and improperly designed workstation, tools, and equipment. Psychological hazards. These are those that basically cause stress to a worker. Mechanical or electrical hazard. These include electricity, machinery equipment, pressure vessels, and dangerous goods, forklifts, cranes, and hoists.
And another one, our great reminder, if you put crush first, you will be heartbroken. But if you put God first, He'll give you what you want, what you truly need, and including real love.